Street weapon guy. That's the one from New Zealand, I think. He's supposed to be coming on. He sent me a message saying he was coming. Oh, another one of them trees. Where are you hiding?
I'm loading.
Oh, I thought it was done. I didn't even look at it when I came in. I just cabbed straight out to the bush.
Yeah.
Hey, well, I'll keep processing. There's a couple piles now. Oh. Oh no. I wasn't doing too bad. It was just a little laggy, like little jerky, nothing that was a pain in the butt. Just enough to let you know that, hey. Yeah, I think I'll limit this to 4 players, I guess. So if you have your own server, does that make it better, or do I just need more computer power to?
Yeah. Not using yours. So like from what that other guy was saying, it sounds like you could host a server or have a server. And say like Wisconsin.
Right.
More centralized. You aren't trying to go all the way.
Oh, I see. Right.
I wasn't. I was pretty good. Me and you are right. You get down to 10, that kind of stuff. That's the only thing I can do. I don't know how.
Right. Keep processing. Here, present for you.
What's up, Maverick?
Hello,
What are you up to?
logging.
On 20. On
Who's this?
19.
Hey?
Yeah, you on 22?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yo, do you know if like if Daw himself answers on DMs?
Sometimes.
Yeah, because I'm not really sure like if I got the right version of the grapple for 22. Because like when you download from his website, you get one that's weighs 8 ton, while another version I got from when downloading mods from like when I was gonna join a server, that thing was 4 ton, and I watched his latest video that he put out yesterday, and in that video he uses a 4 ton grapple as well. So.
I don't know. I just download his equipment.
Yeah, so I'm not really sure what's the newest one.
One-
Like which one to use. Yeah, it should be the 8-ton one, but I'm a bit confused because of like why doesn't he use it himself then? I was thinking that he maybe switched it up.
No idea,
Like-
there, man.
I put it in the chat, but no one really seems to know.
Yeah, like I said, I just download his equipment, his stuff.
Yeah, that's what I did too.
He downloaded on
I
file.
got both now, but I just kind of want to know which is the newest yet and what to use. Have you? Are you in Honky's Discord server?
No.
You know.
No.
I played them yesterday, but I need to download like a ton of mods. I think it was like 40 mods.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I
Yeah,
think we
no.
had like 44 mods on the server now, but the thing was, we got a lot of machines that, like all from FTR, and that I already had downloaded, but you know, we had different versions and shit, so the shit I had didn't really work, so I just made like a folder in the PC where I put the mods for his server, and one folder where I have my own mods, so when I'm gonna join him, I just go into the files and change the mods.
Oh, yeah. I got just the basics, and I said, oh, we got Lumberjack. But I'm pretty sure that's one of his. Pretty sure.
Oh yeah, we used it as well.
I try and keep it simple so that everybody can get in the game.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, I played with a couple guys that, yeah, I had to download 25 minutes worth of stuff just to play the game with them for an hour. So, now I told him, too, that, you know, we're going to play multi, let's try and keep the extras down to a minimum.
Yeah.
Because if you do that with everybody that you play with, you know, if you play with 2 or 3 different people, that's, you know, could be 20 or 30 extra mods.
Yeah. it's nice because like I thought I was gonna lag just like when I play with you, but when I play on their server that's located in New York, they said, I only get like 60 to 70 ping, while I got like 130 while I was playing with you.
Right on.
Yeah, it's like when you play, it's a big difference because I didn't have any problems like playing on the server today, but when I played with you, it was pretty hard because everything was like very delayed. Yeah, and I think it was 130, but it was still pretty bad because it was like so delayed. Everything I did. Wait, what's happened now? Maverick, are you going back to work tomorrow?
No, tonight.
Tonight?
Tonight, yep.
Damn.
Play FDR's game and then I'll be out the door.
And you get back on Friday, Saturday? Oh, okay, Friday.
Fridays I come home, yeah. No,
Yeah,
they got me to work one Saturday, and I told them don't try that again with me, or I'll just go home and stay home.
okay.
I don't want to work weekends. If I wanted to work weekends, I'd run a buncher instead of a loader.
No.
But loaders only work 5 days, or are only supposed to be working 5 days a week. So
I don't think I'm gonna play much this week that's coming because I'm probably gonna have a ton of schoolwork to do because I've been home for like 1.5 weeks from school or something because of COVID, so I missed a ton of shit and I haven't really done any schoolwork at home.
who is this? It's Linus?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't see your name doesn't come up anywhere. So are you not in the game or just on?
That's weird.
Are you coming into the game or?
Yeah. Wait, is it your own? Like it's your own multiplayer, right?
It's a multiplayer, yeah. I haven't played this myself.
Like your own ones, the one we played on last time.
No, I started this one I think last night.
I'll probably just gonna lag as much as I did last time, sadly.
Oh, give it. Where are you from?
Sweden.
Sweden. No, give it a try. We had 4 people in here with no lag, and then the 5th person was giving us some problems. But there's only 2 of us in here right now.
I'll try. Right. Save. I was gonna play on Honky server right now, but no one's on at the moment. We started on a new map yesterday.
Geez, you started something, Chris. I seen somebody else using my password for their password.
What's your password?
Log it. It's
Oh.
actually the name of a company I worked for back in BC for a little while. Log it. So I kind of thought it was a neat name. So
We got another password for the Honky server.
yeah, I don't know. Somebody sent me an invite to go play. I know it wasn't Chris, but somebody else sent me an invite to go play and log it as the password.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Pretty soon it's just gonna be easy.
What's the name?
Hey, the map's Maverick login. Password login.
Wait, what's the password you said?
Log it. LOGIT.
Oh, you got Terraform on there. I don't have that.
I thought we turned it off.
Nope.
Oh. Oh, right. Okay, it must have came back on when I was resetting it that time. Well, I turned it off, but
You want it?
that's right.
I don't even know how that shit works. I've just seen people use it, but I have no idea what it really
It's just
does.
I don't.
On it. Yeah, but like,
For logging
is it
in.
like just like a on and on switch, or like, is it like very complicated?
No.
Because
With
I
the
know
button.
the maps needed to be like support the Terraform,
I don't
and
even do anything.
machines needed to do it as well. I'm not sure how it works really. Wait, where did I find this? I think it's weird because on FS Miner's website, like every time I'm gonna go download something from his website, what's it called? Like when I click on a download link,